A magic sleep drink. Try this amazing drink if you are suffering from insomnia, sleeplessness. It is made of milk and honey, and it is considered as best ancient remedy for sleep. Drink a cup of it before going to bed and you will fall asleep in no time. The effect of both ingredients are strengthened when taken together, even though they are as effective when taken separately. Honey causes a controlled increase in the amount of insulin and also promotes tryptophan, which helps to get a good sleep and feeling of relaxation. Take a glass of warm milk and add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it well. Sip this slowly before going to bed. By doing this, you can get a sound sleep.